Welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how I DIY this fabric basket with file dividers. I started by making some templates of the sides and bottom on a cardboard. Next, on the outer fabric, I traced the front and back and the sides for the fabric basket, and I did the same on the interfacing. After I cut the fabric for the lining and some extra pieces that I will add later on. To attach the interfacing, face the side that got some little dots to the front side of the fabric. I used a damp cloth and then iron it. So in that way, the interfacing stick to the fabric. Repeat the same with all the pieces for your outer fabric. Then I sew my first two sides. And after, I attach the back side. For the front, I attach a small piece of fabric and sew it to the rest of the fabric basket. I added another piece to the top edge of the basket, clipped the front side and sew it. Then folded it and stitched the ends together. After I clipped the bottom part to the basket and sew it all the way around. And for the lining, I followed the same steps minus the interfacing. I left about 6 cm gap on the side. So then place the basket inside the lining as I show you here, and line up the two edges and sew them. After I flip the bag right side out. This is optional, but I sew again on the top edge, leaving a 4 mm seam and iron the whole basket. To finish the basket, I sew and close the 6 cm gap. In addition, I made 3 folder dividers. I cut 3 pieces of cardboard and fabric. Later I sew it, leaving the top edge open. I turn the right side out to hand stitch the letters. Once I finished, I close the top edge. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, like and share the video. Hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new content. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Gracias por vernos, asegúrate de suscribirte a nuestro canal, déjanos tu comentario, dale te gusta y comparte el video. Presiona la campana de notificación para que no te pierdas ninguno de nuestros nuevos videos. También nos puedes encontrar en Instagram y en Facebook.